hoping this is going to be a short video today. I got the new ingot, and I got this. This is for the lads who give me oil, as much as I can carry every day. We'll try that out, because that there is just starting to look unsightly, so we'll start making brick shaped ones, and that will take 4 of them at least. So that's the idea. That's what we're doing. First we gotta go and light the fire, then we gotta do molds. Apparently some people think I'm fucking mad because I talk to myself. Well, surely if you've got a camera in front of you and you're in an empty room, you aren't actually talking to yourself. So yes, okay, if that makes me certifiable, again, okie dokie. I'm mad. I'm going slightly mad. I know you've seen it before, but sort of flame you wanted? That didn't work, but it's a nice shape brick, isn't it? I welded Simon Templar in there. I'm nearly finished. I haven't got no buffer stuff, so I can't buffer. So there is a few ins and outs of Foundry work, and I will tell you a few of them. Remember, I was making these the other day out of hot glue. Well, I glued one on my phone, right? Well, I see I went like that because I went like that. I put this phone in my pocket and I've been next to that furnace all day. Well, then come night time, I come home, I can't get my phone out of my pocket because I melted that hot glue and it's stuck to the inside of my pocket, so it took me half hour to get my phone out of the pocket. So my silly mistake, obviously, not yours. Be careful. I done a back one today. As you see, it's not finished. You got to get the polish, and I done add him for the boys next door, the ones who give me all the oil.
Thank you.